Now we're going to talk about the adapters. Maybe you bought the kit and you're thinking, okay, I have the multi-tool, what can I use with it besides cutting? Okay, yeah, you can do a few more things. So I'm going to change the screen so the way you can see. So if you've never seen this tool before, you can visit my other video. I'll try to put it later. So basically you can replace this cutting tool and you can put anything else. So here, as you can see, we have the Ridgid, and here it comes with the sandpaper. So if you have the adapter, in this case I don't have the adapter, but you can put the adapter. Let's imagine this is the adapter, you put it here and then you put this on top of this and that's it. So here, as you can see, in this case this is more to sand, maybe a little bit of like concrete maybe, or wood. I mean, this is very thick, so it doesn't say. It says Scarby rasp, but it doesn't say exactly what is this for. But as you can see, you can replace the tip, put it like that. There you go. You move this like that, you move the latching mechanism, and then the way you go. So basically you can use it for this will move like that. So now we're going to show you the other options that you have. I use this tool, like I said before, a lot when I have to cut a drywall. So let's say you have to install the TV and then the customer say, okay, can you install those face plates, so that way you can put the hole in, I mean, you can put the cable in one end and in the other end you're going to grab the HDMI cable, so that way you don't have cables, you know, hanging everywhere. That is one of the options. Or if you are going to scrape paint, you can use this. This is for that. Hopefully you can see it better. Okay. You can see, okay, this is sharp, so I think if something happened, you can sharpen it again. Here you have for wood and drywall, and this is wood and metal, so it's not the same thing. If you try to cut metal with this, it's going to get dull very quickly. And this, you can use it for metal, but usually, you know, soft metal. I mean, if you're going to try to cut, like I said in my other video, something like that, surely it will not cut it and you're going to damage the blade. And then you have this, I think it says growth, maybe, like I said, maybe for a little bit of hard element, like maybe concrete a little bit, I don't know. I never had to use any of this, but if you're in the business, you will know. So this, let's say if you have to cut here inside of this, maybe you have to cut just this little piece from here to here, and that's it. And you have, you know, these side walls here on the side here. You have this here. So if you're going to try to cut it with this, you're going to destroy everything, and you have to do like a big cut. But with this, as you can see, you can do a small, I mean, it will fit. You can do the small cut and that's it. So basically, this is why you have to have a kit like that. You have wood, metal, wood only. Usually I prefer to use, I mean, if you have to cut like very little, like drywall or anything like that, you can use the wood metal. That would be okay. I try to use wood metal for everything, or metal, because if for small things that's fine. But if you have to cut a lot of wood or anything like that, try to get the one that says wood, because you're going to cut faster. Usually the teeth are bigger and than the metal. The metal usually is smaller and is for metal. And so basically that is how it works. And the only, like I said, the only bad thing about this is if you have a Bosch, you have to buy their own blades, otherwise nothing else will fit. But in the other brands, they don't have that problem. You can use almost anything that you want. That is cool. So that is how you can use with many other things. If you want to maybe sand a little bit, maybe you can use it. Otherwise, grab a sander. But at least you know that you can do a few more things with this type of tool. So if you have any other suggestion, please let me know in the section below, and see you next time.